Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to export your notes from Kilonotes to a zip file. Just open the app and choose your notes. Now go to the three dots on the right, and here you can find export. Click on it and choose zip file. Then you can select the page range. By clicking on one of the page, you can remove it and click on export file. Wait a few seconds, then you have to choose where you would like to export this file. Now I will do it to Drive and click on save, and your file will be exported. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful.